Box number 4. Yeah, Crown Royale. Terrible. The only reason anybody opens it anymore is to take Crown Royale. This stuff gets really crap. Alright, here we go. Good luck. We got Maurice Cheeks, Mo Cheeks for the Hawks. Mo Cheeks for the Hawks. And Kevin Love for the T-Wolves. Seems like the back of the box is the regular jersey, so I'm going to start going from the back. Tyreek Evans from the Kings jersey, number to 99. Sean Bradley for the Sixers. Look at that beast. Sean Bradley jersey, number 29 and 99. Sick. Then we got the Dragon jersey, Dwight Howard dual, 14 of 99 for the Magic. Dragons on there, sick. For the Miami Heat, no, sorry, I apologize. Atlanta Hawks, I apologize, Heat. Atlanta Hawks, Kevin Willis. Kevin Willis, number to 149 autograph. What you talking about, Willis? What you talking about? Kevin Willis. Dallas Mavericks. Sam Perkins. You don't see a whole lot of Sam Perkins. Number to 99. Flag patch auto. Sam Perkins. Big smooth. Nice one for the Mavericks. And the last hit is an autograph. Thought it was going to be a little better for the main hit. My bad, BT, because this stuff's garbage, dude. We got all this stuff so far. I can just get the Kobe, number to 99, in this box too, in box number 4. Gosh, it's just terrible. It's so bad. So bad. Stuff is so bad. 75 of 99 Kobe. Too much Kobe, blah blah. It's only Kobe. It's freaking Kobe. Greatest player on the planet. Box 4. Peace. BT sucks.